Hello viewer, welcome to my another session of MS Excel Macro 2010. In this session we will see what is the objective of the session and how to create a personal macro. So objective of this session is, after this session you will learn what is a personal macro, what is the use of personal macro, how to create personal macro in Excel. In corporate world, in our day-to-day life, we are playing around with the lots of data in Excel and doing the repetitive tasks for creating a beautiful report. So for that, like for an example, we are doing in every report our header row in the format of our company standard format, like making the background color blue, font white and bold and so on, and like converting numbers from USD to USD million, converting number from USD to USD thousand, and then placing borders all around the data set. So all these are the activities which we are doing in our day-to-day activities at our job every day. So to make that automated, we will create a macro, personal macro. So personal macro is nothing. Once you will create it, that will remain at your local computer, and as and when you will play with any of the Excel workbook, and you can use that will remain forever until you delete it from the directory it existing. So I'll show you how to create it and where the location that personal macro exists. To get started, we will go to the Excel workbook. Here we will start the activity with recording. So for that, just go to the developer and just click on record macro. Now we will place some name. Here I am placing convert to million, and we will give the shortcut key Ctrl+F, and you can see store macro in. So here we can say whether this is a personal macro or in this workbook or in any new workbook. So here you need to select personal macro workbook, and if you want to place some description, you can place over here. So for the time being I am leaving it as it is and just click on OK. And now stop the recording, just pressing on stop recording. Now we will go to the Visual Basic editor, just click on Visual Basic tab. Now we are placed into the Visual Basic editor. Here you can see VBA project in bracket personal.xlsb. So personal macro is always saved with the extension xlsb, personal.xlsb. So we will see where this is saved, but for now we will expand this, and in the module that recorded macro will be available. So as we have done nothing but only started a recorder, so only the subroutine got created and nothing is placed in between subroutine and end sub. Now here we will place a code to convert the number formatting from USD dollar to USD million, and making the header row formatting, that is font bold and white and background color equals to blue. So this we will do in this formatting. So first of all, we will, as we have created this subroutine for converting the USD dollar, converting the numbers from USD dollar to USD million. So we will write a code, selection dot number format equals to dollar hash comma hash 0.0. that means I'm placing the decimal places, so I'm just giving only one decimal place over here, and then comma. This is the format for converting number to USD million. Now we will close it with the double quotes. Now our code is ready for converting a number from USD to USD million. Now we will write another subroutine over here to make the header row formatted. So for that I'm just giving the name to the subroutine as header row format, and in this we will write border format. So I'm using the earlier code, and then we will write code for width selection and then end width. Now we will write a code for making the font bold. So font dot bold equals to true, and then making the background color of the selected cell as blue. So for that, interior dot color index equals to 23. 23 is for bold, and then dot font dot color equals to RGB 255 255 255. This is for white color. Now our code for making a header formatted row is ready. Now we will see how to use this. So for this header row formatting subroutine, we will assign some key. So for assigning a key, just I will go back to the Excel workbook. From here I will go to the macro, and from here I will select header row format and edit. You will not be able to edit because the workbook is hidden. Go to the option, and here you will place Control plus H. Now this is for making the header row formatted with our standard format, like in this case background color blue, font bold and font color white. Just click on OK. Now just close it and close this workbook as well. So before that, okay, just close this workbook. Now we will open any of the workbook. So now in this case I am just opening data 1. Now we have written code for converting the number from USD to USD million. So for that I am just going to select these numbers, and as we have assigned the shortcut key Control F. So I will press Control plus F. Now you can see the numbers got converted into million format, and we have written also macro for formatting the header row. So for formatting the header row, we will just select the header and just Control H. Oh no, what is the wrong with this interior? Oh, as you can see we have missed N. So I have made the correction now. Okay, again we will continue Control H. Now you can see the header row is formatted as per our requirement. Now we will close this, just save it, and we will open another file. So like in this case I am opening data 2. Now we will perform the same activity. Just select the header row and just press Control H. Header row is formatted. Now we want to convert the number from USD to USD million. Just select the entire number and make it Control F. Now you can see the number format is converted to million. So this way we can write a personal macro, and which will be available every time as and when we will be working with our Excel workbooks, and we will be automating the task which we are doing for formatting, or the things which we do repetitively in an automated way on the click of button. So this way we can automate our repetitive task and save our time. Now I will explain you where that file exists. Now just I am going to the directory where that file exists. Now we will see the location of the personal.xlsb file. xlsb file is nothing but the binary format of this. So this is how the Excel saves its personal macro. So you can see the location is user, username, and app data, roaming, Microsoft, Excel, Excel start. So this is the location where you can find your personal macro. So use this. So this was the way we can create the personal macro and automate our repetitive task in our day-to-day life which we are performing at our job and make our life easy. Thank you.